what you're going to see here, and then you'll see more stuff.
All right, thanks, Gary. So thank you all for coming. A little bit about the tour. You're here with us. You're going to go hang out with George for a minute over there. Then you'll pick up your tour and you'll go all the way through. And then there'll be space at the end to talk to some of our folks and buy some merchandise and things like that. Pictures and photos and video are all fine in this area once you enter the factory. No pictures, no photo, no video on your tour until you get to the end, and then you can do whatever you want back there. You're going to see Star Wars Fall of the Empire, and you're going to get to meet the team that made it at the back there. You're also going to see all the new King Kong accessories. So we got an accessorized game back there with all the King Kong stuff. There's also some new merch. I'm wearing some of it right here, so if you want to get the new merch, you can get it back there as well. So you're going to see Star Wars Fall of the Empire. You're going to see the Kong stuff. You're going to see Spike 3. Star Wars Fall of the Empire has the Spike 3 technology in it, so you'll see sort of all that new technology as well there. We also launched home leaderboards that everybody's been waiting for, so hopefully some of you get to enjoy that as well. But thank you all for coming. This is the house that you guys built and that Pinball built, and we hope you enjoy it.